Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a job at Walmart. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in careers.walmart.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Walmart's career page. Now in order to apply for a job, you can simply look for your desired job by using the search box and also by searching through location. After choosing your job category, you can tap on the See All Openings option, and now when you find a job that is suitable for you, you can tap on the Apply button. You can then click on I agree with the terms and conditions and click on Continue. And if you already have an account, you can click on the Login with your email option. Otherwise, click on Search for Jobs and now enter your desired location. Once you find your job, click on the checkbox in which you want to apply and click on Continue. And then you can choose to apply for various different positions. You can click on the Select box to choose multiple positions and click on Continue. Finally, select your availability options as well as the shift. Then you can choose your specific hour options and finally click on Continue. Now you can finally fill up the form by entering your email address and then confirming it one more time. You can then enter your desired password and enter your password once again. And then you can choose your preferred language of communication. Finally, enter your phone number as well as your alternate contact number and then click on the Create Account button. Once your account has been created, you will be able to upload your CV and then apply for your preferred position right away. And there you have it. That is how you can apply for a job on Walmart. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.